Yeah, what is top one?
One, sir.
Top one. Top is one, sir.
Top is one.
Elements are
And stacked elements are 10 and 30, sir.
Correct? Huh?
yes.
Okay, first we are inserting
Yes.
10, right? When you insert top, what will happen? Top value 0, right? First, your top is 0. We are inserting 20 also. After inserting, top value raised by 1. Previously 0. Now it is 1 now. Again, pop. If you pop, right? If you apply pop operation, then top value again decrement by 1. That is top 0. Now one element is there. 10 is there. Again push 30 you called. Push 30. Then what will happen? Again top value 1. Now 1030 is there. 1030. And after that top value is 2 again. Top is 2 and 40 is 40 inserted. Now again pop. If you pop again this will be deleted. Okay. Now what is top value? 1, right? What is top value?
One.
What are the
One.
elements? 10 and 30. Top value is clear it is?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, next guys. Next one. A big program we discuss. All operations we write. Okay, next program guys. Next program. We'll write in all the functions. Three functions we'll write. Guys, see what are the functions I'm writing? Void push operation, guys. Push. Okay, and void pop operation. Void display function. Okay. See guys, we write a code later. We'll write a code later. See, push and pop and this display also I'm writing, and main function code also I will write. Guys, listen. Main function code we write. Before writing, first take a global parameters first. I want to take a global parameters are as defined size. Take a size or max. Now I want to take it as size. Size is 5 and take this stack. How to take the stack? S of size. S of size, right? And take top value -1 and I value, right? S of size top is -1 and I value. We have taken these all elements, right? See this. These all are global values. These all are global values. Now I want to take in the main function, guys. Now I want to display menu first. Clear screen. Menu I want to take, guys. Menu I want to take. Now what I'm writing a menu, see, guys. Now I want to display menu here. Now I am displaying a menu, main menu. Okay. What it display main menu? See, guys. Don't write the program. Listen, guys, all of you. Listen. After completion of program, we can write. Now, just the main menu we have written. Remaining programs you can write. Okay, all of you check it. All the in all the concept we have this type of programs. First, listen this program. You can write remaining programs. You can write main menu. I am displaying. See, just it shows main menu. Okay, what are the operations I want to display? Here I want to write a display, right? First, what I'm writing, printf. What are the operations? I want operations first. Push operation. One is push. What is second operation? Slash n. Second operation is pop. Third operation is what? Display. And fourth operation is what? Exit. See, these four operations will be displayed. First, see, push, pop, display, and exit. Here it has to ask for which operation you want, right? Select operation. Select which operation you want. Printf. Yes, see. Printf, which operation you want. Now I want to write select choice. Select your choice. Which operation you want. Okay, choice how to take one variable here. Option. Take one option variable into O. Okay, that is option. Okay, read that option. How to read that value? Scanf. Are you following, guys? Now I want to take one option here. Percentile D. Percentile D. Address of O. Address of O. Here I have taken select address of O. Okay, here you need to enter 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Now, what is 1? If I enter 1, switch case I am writing. Switch case, switch off O I am writing, guys. See, switch off O. Okay, now I want to write switch off O I am writing. Switch off O. What is switch off O? Which case you want to write? First case. If I call a case 1, call that function. How to call this function, guys? Case 1. What is the case 1? Push operation. Call push operation. Okay, and break it. Case 2. What is case 2? Call pop operation and break. Guys, listen, right? Case 3. What is case 3? Display operation. Break. Case 4. What is case 4? Exit. Exit of 0, right? Exit of 0 means stop this. Case 4 means exit. Break is not required. What is default statement? Guys, see. Now I am writing default. What is default? If I enter 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, that is valid. If I enter the other value, invalid choice. Now I am writing, guys, invalid choice. Guys, see. Which operation you are taking? 1, 2, 3, 4. Guys, 1, 2, 3, 4. Case 1 means push, pop, display, and exit. Guys, see. Enter your choice. If I call 1, it has to call 1. After calling, I want to repeat. I want to display those options only. These options only I want to display, guys. See, that's why here do while statement I'm writing. Guys, see, everything I'm keeping in do while. Why am I keeping in do while? You can understand now. Okay, do. See this. After calling again, it has to come here, right? Do while. Why am I writing do while? You can understand now. See, do while of options less than or equals to 4. If less than or equals to 4, repeat this loop. Once, see, why am I writing? First, select your choice. 1, again, main menu. Which operation you want? Again 2, pop. Again, what operation? 3, like this. You understood, right? 4 means exit. Clear it is? Why I have written in the do while?
Yes,
Guys,
sir.
understood, right? Yeah, now push operation I want to call. Okay, what is push operation? One by one. Guys, tell me in push operation what I have to write. Guys, say Nikita. Push operation what I have to write.
S of scanf percentage.
First, you need to check it whether it is full or not. Push means inserting. When you are inserting, is there space or not? Is there space or there? How to check it? Is there space or not? If top equals to
If top is equal to size minus 1.
yes, size minus 1. If top equals to size minus 1, then here you need to display that message. What message I have to display? Printf. Here what I have to write that message?
Stack overflow.
Stack is full or stack is overflow. Stack is overflow. Clear? Else, if it is not overflow, then what you have to write?
Printf enter the element.
Top plus plus, right?
Yes, sir.
Top plus plus. Here what I have to give a message? Here enter an element. Here we need to enter an element. Enter an element. Okay, into which location? S of percentile D location. What is this S of percentile D? That is top. Here I will
Top.
write top, right? Which element you are inserting? Here, that element should insert
Minus.
scanf of, tell me, percentile D, address of,
Address of S of top.
hmm? S
S
of
of
top.
top.
S of top, right? Yeah, this element has to insert. And get CH also is required. Okay, otherwise it won't display that message. It gives some delay to display this. Okay, first only inserting we'll check it. Guys, inserting. First, select your choice. One, enter an element. 10, right? Yeah, get CH not required there. Here we are inserting, right? After inserting, for this is for stack overflow is required. For stack overflow, this is get ch. Otherwise, it won't display that message. Yeah, see this. Okay, insert that element first. Select your choice. One, enter element 10. Select your choice. One, 20 I inserted. Select your choice. 30 I inserted. Right? Select your choice. 40 I inserted. Select your choice. 50 inserted. See this. Okay, select your choice. One, stack is overflow. Okay, 4, 4 exit. Okay, here I want to clear the screen. I don't want to continue that. Here what I will do, here clear screen is there, right? You can understand why am I writing clear screen here. You can understand now. Now I'm writing clear screen here. Okay. What is happening? It is showing a bit after displaying that message. Now see here, first one insert, then clear it is. See that 120 and 130, 140, 150. Previous one it is deleting and it is stack is overflow. 4. First we will write a display code. Yeah, we will write a display code, guys. Tell me display code. First, if you want to display whether the element is there or not, we have to check it. Whether the element is there or not. How to check it whether the element is there or not? If top equals to
Top
minus 1, right?
minus 1.
If top equals to size minus 1, then here you need to display that stack is underflow. Stack is underflow. There is no elements. There is no elements. Else, if elements is there, display those elements. Okay, how to display those elements? Stack elements are, I want to give a message, printf. You know, previously you have written stack elements are, right? Stack elements are, how to display stack elements are, right? For loop we have written, right? For loop. Here what you have to write, guys? I equals to 0, I less than or equals to top, up to the top, I plus plus. We are displaying those elements. I equals to 0 and display those elements. How to display? Printf of, now I want to display which element is this? S of percentile D equals to percentile D. Okay, S of percentile D equals to percentile. What is this percentile D? Now I will take I and S of I. Previously have written the same program. Previously have written the same program. Okay, and also get ch. See this. Once execute, first 2, I will press 2. Is there any elements? Yeah, it is not showing. Sorry, 3, right? 3. Stack is underflow. There is no elements. Display. 3. There is no elements. 3. There is no elements. Right? First insert one element. I insert the first element. Now see, press 3. Only one element is there. Again, one element. Insert second. 20 element. Press 3. Two elements are there. Again, 1. Insert 30. 30 I inserted. Press 3. 3 elements are there. Again, 1. 4 elements are there. See once. Again, insert 1. 50. See once. 5 elements are there. Can you insert now? We can't insert. How many elements are there? 3 elements. Can you insert? We can't insert. 3 elements. See, right? Now we write a display pop code. Okay. If I write, there is no any code, right? Pop. Now come to the fourth, exit. Okay, pop code you have to write. Pop code. Okay, how to delete. Okay, if you want to delete the elements, first you need to check it whether the elements is there or not. How to check whether there is elements or there or not? Top equals to size minus 1. If top equals to size minus 1, then we need to write stack is underflow, right? Here you need to display stack is underflow. Stack is underflow. Okay. If there is no stack is not underflow, now I want to delete those elements. Okay, I want to pop those elements. What to do? Display those elements. Okay, how to delete? Delete means that value you need to assign null, guys. See, deleting means we need to assign null, guys. That element we need to assign null. Okay, and top value should decrement. And I want to, before deleting, give one message. I want to give one message that element is deleted. Which element is deleted? Now I want to give that message. Percentile d deleted from. I am giving a message. Percentile d deleted from S of percentile d location. Percentile d deleted from S of percentile d location. Okay, what is the first percentile d? S of I is deleted from, sorry, this is S of top, deleted from top location. Deleted from top location, right? This is deleted from this location, right? Now get ch, write the get ch here. Now I am writing get ch. Now get ch I am writing. Clear? One see, guys, now how it executes. One error, null. When you are writing a null as defined, we need to write stdio.h, guys. Stdio.h. Hash include stdio.h. Hash include stdio.h. Okay, once execute, guys. See, select your menu. Display. I want to display. There is no elements. I want to delete. There is no elements. Sorry. Oh, it is deleting. 0 deleted from SR minus 1. Okay, it's not valid. Correct? 0 deleted from. No, we should not write like deleted. Pop is what? Yeah, sorry. Here top is what? Minus 1. Top is what? Minus 1. Elements is there or not? Yeah, first see, there is no elements. Stack is underflow. Stack is underflow. Plus 2. Stack is underflow. There is no elements. There is no elements. There is no elements, right? First insert. First 10 I inserted. 3 the element. First one element is there. Insert 20 also. Check the element. 2 elements are there. 30. 30, right? 3 elements are there. 40. 4 elements are there. 50. 50. 5 elements are there. We can't insert. Okay, these elements are there. First, which element can be deleted? 50 can be deleted, right? Press 2. 50 deleted from S of 4. What are the elements are there? 10, 20, 30, 40. Again delete. 40 deleted from S of 3. How many elements are there? 10, 20, 30. Next, which element can be deleted? 30 can be deleted, right? 30 deleted. 2 elements are there. Again, 20 deleted. What are the elements? 1 element is there. That element also deleted. What are the elements? There is no element. Can you delete again? You can't delete it, right? Can you insert? Now we can insert. First element, insert. Okay, clear this? Guys, first one by, don't write. Okay, first check it and execute this code in your machine. Execute this code in your machine. Take compiler and execute this machine. After executing only write. First try, don't check, first check it once. This code, check it once. First push code and pop code and execute this code in the your machines, guys. Okay, yeah, check it once. Push, first try to push, once check it and after that execute first, right? Pop, and after that we can. And pop. Next, display.